really sucks. I tried debugging it last night, but I can't. So I just arrived here at my hotel in Puerto Princesa. Nakakapagod kasi walang nagpapasakay na tricycle. Kasi sabi ko, Hidden Forest Hotel. What the F? It's Deep Forest Garden Hotel. Nabilang, almost isang oras ako naghintay ng tricycle sa kainitan ng araw. And for now, I'm waiting for Klook na sunduin ako for my heritage tour. And look at this. Tingnan mo. Look at this. Ano, magla-live show ako. Anyways, this room is kind of nice, but it's really cheap. I'll be putting the price here. And yeah, maybe I need to get some rest and freshen up before my tour. See ya later. Hindi siya malangwa. So, let me tour you around here at the Deep Forest Garden Hotel. As you can see, sobrang ganda niya. It's filled with colors. And then, look, it's the pathway towards the hotel. I want to believe that this is Goyo, but his horse is not white, so I don't think this is Goyo. He doesn't have the mustache though. And look at this. There's this like resto, and then the pool. It's the 5 feet pool, and there you sorry. So this is the 5 feet pool. There's the bar. I don't think anyone will be here later because I don't see anyone around. Maybe everyone's on tour. I'll be staying here for the night because tomorrow I will be on a Puerto Princesa underground river tour. That's a United Nations or a World Heritage site, and I'm pretty excited with it. So it's the start of our Puerto Princesa tour. And our first stop was actually the bay or the bye-bye, but we're now here at the Cathedral. Yeah, kita-kita ko. Sobrang linaw. And now we're going to the plaza, and tour guide actually told us that it's, the themes inside the church are actually made by the prisoners in somewhere here in Palawan. And now we're going to the Plaza Cuartel. We're now here at the Palawan Wildlife and Rescue and Conservation Center. We'll be spending half an hour here, and we'll be holding some crocodiles. So we'll be spending half an hour here to hold and maybe learn some things about crocodiles, and maybe we'll be holding some, which is really scary. Anyways, this is a new experience.
Magandang hapon. Welcome to Nido sa Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. So ito po sa Nido.
so large. Little haggard, but I just came from the top of that Baker's Hill, overseeing the town of Palawan. So, going down. Hi, dog. And I'll buy some hopya. See, I'm so haggard na. So last day here in Palawan, and I will be visiting the Palawan Underground River, and I will be trying out the Max zip line, which is a zip line that is for 800 meters, and I will be showing you later the Palawan zip line. As of the moment, we are on a stopover here.
Oh, may tawag yan naging dahil. May nagantay na po doon. Oo, diretso na po kayo doon. Sabihin lang namin yung pangalan.
So we're now here at the Sabang Beach, and aakit pa daw kami now for 15 to 20 minutes para dun sa zipline. Kasi sobrang init and I can't focus my camera. So learning how to use the shit. But hope I'm going to enjoy this. So we're now here at the Sabang zipline. Look at that distance. Where is it? Yeah, somewhere there. That's the landing area for this very long zipline. It's 800 meters. I have some acrophobia, but I need some comfort. I'll be in Bali in a few months. Excited. So I'm next, and hindi ako natutuwa. Sobrang taas niya. I'm now strapped in. Sobrang ingay. Look at this. Heavy duty. Not my belly, but this one. Kaya ko ba? Wala nang choice. So ayun, mukha kaming nasa Survivor Philippines. Tinawid namin yun hanggang dito. At syempre po palabas na kami for our trip to the underground river. Init, grabe. And we're now going to the underground river. This will be, we will be riding a boat for around 10 to 15 minutes. And temperature is really hot. Luckily, yeah, temperature's really hot in this patching area, and at the same time actually organized it for us. It's part of the tour. So we're now here at the landing area for the Puerto Princesa underground river. Of course, we took some photos. But I need to be really careful with my surrounding because there are some long-tailed macaques here. Baka hilahin ng mga unggoy yung camera ko, dalhin ko saan. Totally lost track of time, and we're now traveling back to Manila. It was an amazing experience to be here in Palawan and actually met a lot of great people. I wasn't able to vlog about my stay in the airport, but I stayed there for around 4 to 5 hours. I was able to read this book, which is really outdated, but this actually kept me entertained for a few hours. So see you in Manila.